Has this ever happened to you that you wanted to send a DM to someone on Instagram, but then you realize it's late at night or the other person might be busy? So you avoid texting them because you don't want to disturb them. If yes, then Instagram's new silent DM feature can be really helpful to you. Now, this feature lets you send silent messages on Instagram, which means that your message will be quietly sent to the receiver and they won't receive any notification, even if they have turned on notification sound on their phone. So let's see how you can send silent messages on Instagram. So before starting, update your Instagram to the latest version from Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once done, head to Instagram and open any group chat or individual DM box. Then type @silent before your message. Now you will get @silent option with a little bell symbol. Just tap on that and write your message after that. The receiver will then get your message as normal, but they will not receive a notification. Now, silent DM feature might sound a little pointless to you, but if you receive a lot of messages on Instagram at odd hours, then this could be really helpful to you. And if you can't find this feature on your Android or iOS device yet, then you have to wait for a while to get it because this feature is being released for everyone in phases. Also, let me know in the comment section below if this was useful, and like always, keep following Gadgets360 for all things tech.